Alright, so I found the firing order. Hopefully it's the right one. So I got the spark plugs in. Valve cover still off. And we're not touching nothing, so we should be good. So we gotta hook up the positive for this guy, so we have spark. So hopefully it fires. We got some starting fluid somewhere right there. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, so we got you set up in the boat. That way you can see what's going on. See if something happens here. Hopefully something cool happens. Nothing cool happened. Hey Grace, can you give me my jump box that's over there by your mom? So we got 2 batteries, a charger. We're gonna throw a jump box on her, so hopefully she takes off.
It takes off enough when you stand on it.
We're not getting on the plane while I'm standing on the back.
You're welcome. It's not working, baby.
Probably a little more go-go juice in there. Nothing. Hold on. Alright, we got her on boost. Got her on boost, see if she works now. Spray a whole bunch of that go-go juice in there. Mother of pearls!
Where?
To the side so you can see.
Oh, I can see.
Can you see any of this?
I can see the top half. The top.
Yeah, like. Like it should crank over way faster than that, wouldn't you think?
Where's the starter on it?
Over here on the left. Your right. Or no, your left.
Where you got this thing?
You're good.
How much do you think I weigh? Underneath the casing?
Underneath right here.
My poor shin!
Sorry. I tried not to come back there. That's why.
You could have just said
Alright, we're gonna take this manifold off and try to get that starter off again. Well, it was winterized, so that's good. Throw this up here for some counterweight. Alright, now we got some counterweight up there. We can actually get back here. Alright, so we're going to take this starter off. Go get it tested. My wife ain't going to be very happy about it, but we're going to work and test it. Alright. Oh, squirted myself in the buttocks. So here she is. She has seen better days, so maybe it is just bad. So we're gonna go get cleaned up, go test this. We'll catch you guys there in advance. All right, so they tested the starter. The starter was no brainer. We had to call Mr. George up, tell him the new guy, he no good. So we got a starter coming in. It won't be in until Tuesday. So now we got the rest of the video to do something. Don't know what we're doing. We are cooking some ribs. You guys can't see them right now because, you know, they're in aluminum. So we gotta go check on that. But we don't have nothing to do. So you guys stay tuned. Hold on. All right. So you guys remember we gotta get a starter. Well, in the meantime, we need to get this floor cleaned up just a little, because I'm bending down my knees and my knees are getting wood in them. So we're gonna clean the floor, get the floor so it's semi okay. Then figure out what it looks like after that, because that's what it looks like. Okay, very nasty. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, see what it looks like after that. So you guys, catch you guys as soon as I'm done vacuuming all the wood up. Alright, so we got her cleaned out a little. I got 5 gallons of crud. It looks alright. It's, well, I don't want to put too much work into it, then the motor doesn't run. So I was just cleaning it out just so I'm not tripping over crud. So that being said, next week hopefully that starter comes in. It's the right starter, because I don't know if you guys know this, but boat starters are a little bit harder to get than just a regular car battery or car starter. So we're working on that. So hopefully next video this thing is up and running. Hopefully. But thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys all on the next one.
Out here on the Chattahoochee River, a lot about living and a little about love. Out here on the Chattahoochee River, grew up on the water, made me learn who I was. Grew up on money up in the bank, or when you living off the land.